Rusia.
Más, jálalo más. Jálalo más. ¿Pasadito? No, y cuando no hace viento, jugamos por abajo bien. Y cuando hace viento, que como por abajo, jugamos.
My friend will go like this. I don't know if he can go like this.
Está solo, Arturo.
Good, Brian. The high ground, you know? No, I mean, if you got like a girl like Erin playing indoor, it's like...
I agree. How did you do? Did you like it?
She did great.
Good?
Press.
Hey, Jeff, take Ben. Take Ben and play in front of the defenders, okay?
That's where he's playing now, right?
Yeah. Ben is playing in the middle. Bien. My bad. Pressure! Afuera.